In this video, I'll explain whether free VPNs are worth it, and if using a free VPN is actually safe, or if there's a catch.
Free VPNs can sound really appealing, especially if you don't want to spend money, but it's important to understand the trade-offs before relying on them.
Let's start with the pros. The biggest advantage of free VPNs is, of course, that they don't cost anything. You can quickly download an app, connect to a server, and get some level of privacy and access to blocked content. Some free VPNs are easy to use, lightweight, and perfect for occasional browsing or unlocking a single website. They also give you a chance to test the concept of a VPN and understand how it works before investing in a paid service. However, the cons of free VPNs can be significant. Many free VPNs have a limited number of servers, which means slower speeds and frequent connection drops. Bandwidth limits are common, so streaming, downloading, or even browsing for long periods can be frustrating. Another major concern is privacy. Some free VPN providers log your activity, track your data, or even sell your browsing habits to advertisers. Security features are often basic or missing entirely, so you might not be fully protected from hackers, malware, or DNS leaks. Ads are also very common, which can make your experience annoying and intrusive. In some cases, free VPNs have been found to include hidden malware or trackers, meaning your free connection could actually put you at risk. So while free VPNs can be useful in very limited scenarios, they usually come with serious drawbacks that make them unsuitable for long-term, secure, and fast internet use. That's why a premium VPN like NordVPN is the best choice. NordVPN offers over 8,490 ultra-fast servers in 129 countries, giving you reliable access to virtually any region you need. It uses advanced security protocols like NordLynx for maximum speed and minimal latency, and includes features like threat protection, cybersec, a kill switch, and even double VPN for extra encryption. Unlike free VPNs, NordVPN never logs your activity, keeps your data completely private, and works seamlessly across all devices, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and certain routers. If you want a fast, secure, and reliable VPN that truly protects your privacy without hidden catches, NordVPN is the best choice. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy safe, unrestricted browsing.